lately I've been seeing so many people purchasing electric scooter instead of buying a car. Even people that already own a car, they still went ahead to purchase electric scooter. Are you curious to know why? In France, if for you to be able to drive a car in France, you have to have driver license. And if you are a foreigner like me, that is still dealing with the struggling with the French, then it can be hard because for you to go to school in French, write the exam in French, pass the code in French can be hard. So that's why most of us foreigner here just prefer to go with electric scooter instead of buying a car. Penny the time we will be able to be fluent and be able to write the exam in French. And also, guys, to own a car here in France deals with a lot of maintenance. You have to like pay for or insurance. You have to like fix something. There is no way you have to fix something in the car, and that's a lot. It's a lot. And again, if you are living in the city, for you to get a parking space, for you to park, this is one thing everybody that own a car here in France is dealing with. For you to get a space to park your car. That's why most people that owns a car, they just buy it just for family, if they want to go out with their family maybe on Sunday. But their normal day, they prefer to just, take the electric scooter because it's so easier. You don't need to worry about you don't need to worry about parking space, you don't need to worry about insurance, you don't need to worry about maintenance. It's very, very easy to maintain. So guys, in today's video we are going to be unboxing this RCB electric scooter sent to us. Okay, so let's start here. Do you want to do it? Wait, let me help you out. So
I'm so excited that I have an electric for the first time.
For the first time, yeah. Yes. So this is the first time Michelle is having an electric scooter. This is the first time.
Whoa.
Michelle, how do you feel about it?
Good?
You feel good? Have you ever tried to ride electric scooter before?
No.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay.
I want you to get it out like that.
Okay, wait. Okay, like
But,
do like this.
oh, I can already see the inside.
Wow, the thing is, it's so nicely packed. The way they pack it, it's so nice.
Wow, look at this electric scooter.
Okay, wow. Guys, it's big. Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Okay, I think this is
The handlebars.
yeah, this is the handles. Okay, let's try to stop that. I'm sweet.
The side gray. Oh no!
Yeah, Michelle.
No way!
Yeah.
No way!
Okay. Okay.
This is so nice. What is this box? Let me go and check what this box.
Okay, guys. So this is it.
This is the charger.
Yeah. So this is. So yeah. Wow, I like the colors.
I like the color. I just like my favorite color, blue.
Yeah.
This is blue. Oh my god, look at that.
Yeah.
So giant.
Michelle said it's so giant. So guys, let's see what it came. It came with a manual. Let me see.
A manual.
Yeah. So guys, it came with a manual and in different languages. Wow. So they have,
English.
yeah, they have English. Yeah, in different. And this is the charger. This is the charger, and it came with this, the screw. So these are the accessories, and let's see. So now let's try to remove this. Yeah.
Let's remove this first. Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, this is where we need to on it.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Okay.
So we just need to fix this thing and
Yeah.
we need to put this thing in.
So we just need to screw it here.
The scooter, the glory.
Wow.
You did it?
Yeah. Guys, it's so easy to fix. It's very, very easy to fix or something.
Oh, this electric scooter. This
Yeah.
is where to go it slow. It's good. Just slow.
Okay. The RCB R7X is designed for children and teenagers from age 6 to 12. It provides a safe and fun riding experience for young riders. High quality, built with durable materials, ensure long-lasting performance for outdoor activities. Easy to control with intuitive throttle, perfect for new riders to quickly learn and enjoy. It has long-lasting battery for hours of fun, supports extended playtime without frequent recharging. You can find more information directly from the product link below.
So the things that I love in this electric scooter is that we can ride it it can ride it all by itself. You need to press this button after you press miles, I don't know what it is, and after you press this button and after it's gonna do. And this is the ring. So imagine somebody wouldn't move from the way, so I can just do this. So like this, you can move from the way. And it's like here's the brakes. So like this, if it's going too fast, well, yeah. And this is, and you can press this thing. You is something that if you want to ride the scooter, the electric scooter slowly, you can just do like this. Like you can put your leg like this and press it at the same time when you're going. So this is all about. I love them. Oh, I forgot one thing. It's like until we can bend this thing, we can bend it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I really love it. It's my first time having an electric scooter like this, and it's so cute. The handlebars is pink. Here is purple. The wheels is pink. And this side is dark blue, and yeah, and here's black. And I even and I even love when it's on. Like if it's on, you should not forget to press this button before going with the scooter. And I know how to ride it. So you need to put one leg here and one leg here, and after you can ride it. Yeah, and it's so easy to ride. You don't need to put your leg, look, you don't need to do your leg like this. It's only one time. So like this, you can move faster. To do it fast, you have to do like this, and after you press the button at the same time. And that's all I love about this scooter. And it's so cute.
Kids electric scooter offer several advantages. Fun and enjoyable. They provide a fun way for kids to get around, making outdoor activities more appealing. Exercise. While they are electric, kids still engage in some physical activity like balancing and steering, promoting active play. Convenience. Electric scooter can cover longer distance quickly, making them a practical choice for getting to school, parks, or friends' houses. Environmental friendly. They produce no emissions, making them a greener alternative to gas-powered vehicles. Improved coordination and balance. Riding a scooter helps kids develop better motor skills, coordination, and balance. Social interaction. Riding scooters can encourage kids to play together and socialize in their neighbor. Safety features. Many electric scooters for kids come with safety features such as speed limiters, lights, sturdy construction. Independence. They offer a sense of independence, allowing kids to explore their surroundings on their own. Low maintenance. Electric scooters generally require less maintenance compared to bikes or other vehicles. Cost effective. Over time, they can be more economical